I know what I want to say, but the words don't come. Or they come in the wrong order. Under pressure, I lose the structure halfway. How do I think clearly enough in the moment to actually use the framework? Amazing question. So first, I know what to say, but the words don't come. The reason this is happening is when you are nervous, your mind cannot access the information it already has because it is so concerned about keeping you safe. Why do we feel anxious in a public speaking scenario? Because your brain perceives this situation as dangerous. This is a dangerous situation. People will judge me. If I don't do a good job, I will be embarrassed and I will risk my status in society. In a very real way, back in the day, if people didn't like us, we would be removed from society and it would affect our survival. And our brain has not changed since then. So now when you're in front of people speaking, you feel like if I say the wrong thing, in a way, I'm in danger. My life is in danger. That's how your brain is perceiving it, just so you understand what's going on. So what do? First and foremost, you pause and slow down. It sounds so simple, but the reason you do this is because when you are nervous and your mind is at 1,000,000 miles an hour, you cannot think from that state. You cannot come up with a good thing to say when you have chaos in your mind. So the first thing you do is you take a deep breath and you pause. You slow your body down. You slow your mind down. You allow the anxiety to come and go. Ride it for a couple of seconds and then space out your sentences. So for example, if you ask me, Yasser, why should I learn public speaking from you? Everything in my body will want me to answer right away. And I'll just speak in a jumbled up way. But if instead I take the time and say, the reason that you should listen to me is because I have been training this for 10 years. And not just with people who are in management, people who are at the ground level of an organization, but CEOs and business owners of billion-dollar companies. Notice how slow my pace is. Slowing it down allows you to calm down. When you pause and slow down, the anxiety level goes down. When the anxiety level goes down, you can now access more information. So think about it like this. You have a hard drive in your brain, okay? This is your storage. You have all of the information that you will ever need to speak in your hard drive already. When you're in front of an audience, all of a sudden you're thinking, do they like me? And am I saying the right thing? What if I don't perform? Will I embarrass myself? All of a sudden, these thoughts are eating up that hard drive space. So because you are thinking about the things you're concerned about, your brain removes the information already in your mind to make up for those thoughts, which is why you think, I know this, why can't I talk about that? And what happens? The moment you step off stage, the moment the meeting ends, all of a sudden, all those answers come back to you. Why? Because it was the stress preventing you from accessing the information. So the first thing you need to do to learn this technique, pause and slow down. That's why we started with pausing. Train yourself to calm down, because if you're panicking, you're not going to think about 40 different techniques, right? So once you've learned to do that, and by the way, this is your second day practicing, it's going to take some time. Allow yourself. You've practiced this way of speaking for 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years of your life. It's going to take more than just 2 days to unravel that. But the more exposure you have, the more your body will get used to what it feels like to speak in front of strangers. And eventually it will learn, this is not scary. I can do this and I'm not going to die. And then you can relax and you can use the technique. So this is how you would think on the spot without blanking out. If you're in a leadership role and you struggle to speak up in meetings and presentations and be perceived as a leader, this is for you. Now, there's only so much you can learn watching a video, but if you are serious about transforming the way you speak, you should consider my online speaking classes. My team and I have coached more than 30,000 people at companies like JP Morgan, NASA, Google, Apple, you name it, and we help them speak with the confidence, clarity, and credibility of a CEO. Now, whether you struggle with rambling when you're speaking on the spot, or you freeze in front of a room, or you feel like you sound boring and people stop listening to you, these classes can transform the way you speak. because knowing is not the same as doing. So if you are at all interested in changing the way you speak in a matter of days, click the link down below and check out my online classes.